Hello, ladies, gentlemen, family, friends. Hello. What's up? What's good? What's poppin'? How y'all doing? Please grab yourself something to drink, something to eat. This is a bit longer of a video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for coming. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications to all so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I upload. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys. Y'all know I appreciate it. With that said, let's go ahead and get started in the freaking video. I want to thank everyone for the birthday wishes. My birthday was March 14th. In today's video, we are doing Pisces, the month of March. So if you are Pisces and you were in February, happy freaking birthday to you. If you are March and you are Pisces, happy birthday to you as well. February 19th to March 20th, you are Piscean. Your symbol is, of course, the two fish. Okay, so I don't want you guys to go anywhere. Stop what you're doing. Go get some tea. Go get a coffee, because this is a collaboration with none other than Tia Bella Beauty here on YouTube. Please go check her out when you're done with this video. Go over there, watch her video. If you're coming from Tia's channel, thank you guys so much. Welcome to my channel. Before we go any further, I do want to let you guys know that for March, it is aquamarine. So March does have a secondary color, and March's secondary power color, they call it, is light green. So we will be using those two colors in today's video. I did go ahead and put on my peel off base coat. Today I'm using my Enail Couture peel off base. We have here my 10XL nails by Enail Couture. And if you guys are interested, you can use my 10% off discount code. It is always linked down in my description with the other codes. Please go ahead and make sure your nails are prepped and ready always. I have already got these nails all buffed. I am going to cut these down just a bit. We're going to make these about, I'd say about 5XL. Cut them just like that. Still has that really nice sharp C curve, and that's the size we're going for. So I just cut it down, and that's how much we cut down. So as you can see, there's a little bit difference in that length, and you're just going to clip it right off. Once you have your nail tips cut, let's go ahead and file the free edge again. Alright, so once you have them all buffed, squared off, I'm going to go in with my Enail Couture white French guides. Take my tweezers and I go right here in the center. It just makes putting it down easier. Even though it doesn't match up, I showed you in the last video how to fix that. I'm going to grab my Enail Couture base, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay my base over the entire nail. I'm going to go right over the top of that sticker. So when you're laying your base, of course, you want it to go from cuticle to free edge. See how it's bubbling right there? Take some gel polish and just go add a little bit more. Smooth that out. Okay, once your base is applied, go ahead and do a 30-second cure. Next step, take your white gel polish. This one is Perfect White by Madame Glam. Take that and you're just going to go ahead and you're going to make your French. I also want to say, if you don't apply a base, that gel polish will take forever to apply. And the same with your color. After you go in with your color, go on the sides and make sure it's not bubbling up. If it is, just go right over it and fix it. I'm just going to go ahead and bring it up to about right there. That's as far as you can go. All right, while I continue applying my white, I'm going to tell you guys the Pisces horoscope. It says Pisces is a watery sign concerned with subtle emotions and secret mystical depths. They are friendly and likable, and yet can be very moody and introspective as well. Pisceans are not entirely at home in this world. Pisceans are dreamy and full of imagination, emotionally sensitive, and easily influenced by their environment. So don't get any wild ideas. All right, once the white is applied, go ahead now and do a full 60-second cure. All right, guys, after the nails have been cured, I'm going to take Polish 166 and 170 by Enail Couture, Vivid Girl, and I'm going to put a couple of them here on this little palette. What I'm trying to do is come up with a aquamarine color, because that is Pisces birthstone color, and I'm using my Enail Couture Happy Gel Brush. Just going to mix the two colors. Now, this collection on the Enail Couture website is absolutely absolutely freaking phenomenal. You guys, they all glow in the dark. They're just gorgeous. Put this color right here on the nail bed. I'm going to take that same blue color and I'm just going to go right over the top of the green with the blue. After that's applied, go ahead and give it a 60-second cure step. I'm going to take that Madame Glam Funfetti. This is a no wipe top coat. And I'm going to take the Funfetti and we're going to go over that nail bed. All right, once your Funfetti's on, go ahead and give that a 60-second cure. All right, once that is cured, I'm gonna take blue liner by Model 1s. This is the glow-in-the-dark liner. I'm gonna outline the nail bed. Take it, and we're gonna just start outlining that green color. Just like that. So I'm gonna do the rest of the nails. We have already done January and February. So if you guys have not saw those videos, I will link them in the cards at the top of the screen. All right, once we have our blue outline, go ahead and do a full cure. Take these again, French guides, and I am going to do a double French. I'm going to do it about right here this time. You're just going to go right over the top of your gel polish liner from Not Polish. These are those reflective liners. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to outline the blue. So you're going to take it and you're just going to go right on the outside of the blue. Just like that. I'm going to do the rest of the nails. Make sure you hold your breath. It helps. Here, where that guide is, and I'm going to pull that up. Now, I'm only using the guide to kind of guide me. Kind of like that, okay? Once your second nail bed is on, go ahead and do a 60-second cure. And I'm filling in right here where the nail bed is. You're going to fill in this little spot here with this blue. Fill it in. Try not to cover up your lines. And now you're going to take the green and you're just going to dab the green in. A marble look. Just dab it in different spots while that blue is still wet. Something fun, something different. Give that a full 60-second cure. I take that beautiful Born Pretty reflective glitter flash gel, that over the white. Just like that, and I'm gonna do that on all the nails. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Look how beautiful that glitter is. Go ahead and give that a 60-second cure. Take that fluorescent glow-in-the-dark gel liner by Model 1's, the blue one. You're gonna take it and you're gonna start where the other two stop. And you're just gonna pull it all the way down that nail. This is gonna glow. Trust the process. Go ahead and outline that free edge also. Go all the way down the nail. I'm gonna do that with all my nails. All right, guys, see how they're lined? Everything is lined. Free edge. Go ahead and give that a full cure. All right, you guys, the next step is to take my little Pisces symbol and an O-ring. Before I do anything, I'm gonna quickly go over it with a top coat just to seal everything in. When I put my gems on and all that, everything is already gonna be top coated. And give that a cure. And I'm just gonna put a hole right there. Put it through. Pinch them together. And then you have your cute little Pisces charm. Of this was a little charm and I cut off the little hoop. Also got some Enail Couture goodies. I have some goodies from AliExpress, things you can get from Shein, Aquamarine Rock. These are all from Enail Couture. I'm gonna use my DIY gel for the rhinestones. I'm gonna apply that. I'm gonna apply one here, and one here. Plop that down right there. A diamond right there. A star, diamond, this rhinestone, and we're gonna set it right here. Put the bow here, put that one there, that one there. Put our big bling right there on top, that here. And we'll set that there, and one of these here, right here at the bottom. The other bow right here, and then this one here. Gem, and put right here. Little gems there. We're gonna do a rock there and another little blue gem here. Okay, press it all down, make sure it's centered. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a full cure on those. Got these little zodiac stickers, and I'm just gonna grab one that says Pisces. I'm gonna use these cute little fish for Pisces. This snail here, Pisces symbol. Just like so. Press that down. That top coat real quick, guys. Actually go around your stones if you have any gel, you know, coming out. Oh my God, y'all, the struggle. And they're so heavy, they're popping off already. If you want these to look like, you know, you don't want them to look like press-ons. You want to go around your cuticle area. Make sure you seal that in really good. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like the shorter side? Now, I know they're still long, but Do you like the shorter side or do you like the longer side? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my, look at those nails. So don't forget, we have the Enail Couture Vivid Girl gel polishes. Those are the green and the blue. And then we have the outline, the liners from Model 1s that glow. Those are the luminous liners that you guys gotta get. Summer's coming. You want your nails to glow in the dark. You want your nails to say, honey, I'm home. You want your nails to say, look at me. The power's out. Just the flash gel. Let me show you what these look like when you turn on your flash on your phone. Look, let me just show you in the... Look at that. Look how cool. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Look. The last thing, of course, would be to put on your cuticle oil and all that. Jeez, Broadway nails. Hello. Look at that apex. Look at that 10XL cut down, y'all. That 10X ain't no joke. She is not here to play. She said, no Satan, not today. Up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you guys like these, comment. Let me know. Let me know. Also, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Links for everything that I did use today will be in my description box. That said, hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Sending you guys lots of freaking love. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Go check Tia's channel. Tell her I sent you. Give her some love. All right, letting you guys go. I'm signing off. Later.